Hi guys, it is my pleasure to have Pawan Kumar as our esteemed speaker. And this in this speaker conversation series, I would like to welcome him and to let our audience know about himself. May I request him to give a little background about himself, if possible, Pawan?
Yes, thank you so much, Aditya, for having me here. And yes, it's been uh, nice to see you and in 80 GTR 2024. But yeah, before that, I would like to introduce myself here. My full name is Pawan Kumar. I have total 11 plus year of experience in IT. Currently, I'm working in Mettler Toledo as a software company in as an senior software engineer as a role. So yeah, here I do mostly for related to the IoT platform, whatever the hardware and the software, and then sort of the testing against each scenarios against it. Right there, my key role involves there. So yeah, that's a pretty brief about me.
Very nice, Pawan. Very nice to know about you and what you're doing. And by the way, audience, basically, let me remind you that ATGTR is the ninth edition of this global testing conference. It is one of the most renowned and one of the largest conference in India and Asia. And Pawan is actually presenting a lab, a hands-on lab, which is basically a 60 minutes lab on a very wonderful topic. It says GRPC, a conceptual contract to empower IoT testing. So if you are interested in IoT and to also do a lab with him, this is your chance. So can I ask Pawan to talk a little bit about his lab?
Yes, of course. So first of all, lab is something people need to sit and then understand the concepts. But I'm not going to make it boring here, where only one-way communication. I want everyone to be participate as equal. But before that, to understand, what is going to be, as a lab, as a workshop, right? So GRPC is a concept which deals with mainly with the IoT platform, where you can interact with the hardware and then you make use of that what are the data has been flowing from hardware to the software. So we'll talk about it, the advantages and the main core feature of the grpc, where to use, where not to use, because there are some significance area where we should not be using it, because that will be give the wrong benefit of it, right? So that you need to understand it, like if you're talking about the IoT, but then which part of the IoT we need to use, that is something as a precautionary we need to understand that part. So these are something basic concepts, but yeah, when you talk about the grpc, and when you talk about the data flowing, basically the data will should not be mismatched, or data should not be corrupted, or maybe that manipulated in between, right? So those kind of sort of things I'll be just showing in the workshop, how we can make sure that where the server is there, where client is there, how both are interacting to each other without any the data flow, right? Without any the miss of the data of the flow, right? So these are the concepts which I'll be showing it. So I'm just keeping some hold for the actual demo or the
Yes.
workshop, not revealing everything at this
It would
moment.
absolutely great. In fact, I would recommend guys, see, this is one of the most important things in a very new concept, which normally you would not be able to learn. And to learn it from some practitioner like Pawan, don't miss this chance, guys. Attend. So I don't want to chit chat more about basically the topic or him or the technical side, but I would like to know more about Pawan. And if possible, Pawan, can you tell us what is your other passion other than technology, testing, and work? What is that you really like doing it?
Yeah. So one is very common in India, that's the cricket. So every Saturday, Sunday, I go with the nearby, what do you call that, turf, along with my kid. Now my kid is also grown up, who can give me the company along with other residents in my apartment. So that's the one thing. Second thing, I try to roam a lot of the places, uh, mainly in India. So wherever I go outside over the weekend, not every weekend is possible, but I try to manage my work-life balance, with our family. So yeah, that's something I explore it in the heritage and the historical thing, and try to keep the memory of it and try to record it somewhere for the future reference, so that I can show someone and somewhere I can just relate it in the future. Oh yeah, this is has been I've seen it in the past. So these are the main thing. Yeah,
Very
and
nice.
yeah, with kid and
To
all.
the child and to the kid in you, to the one who travels and explores the world out there, my namaskar and thank you so much for being with us. We look forward for your session and I recommend everybody to not miss this session, guys. Make sure that you attend it. The schedule for GTR is up. Make sure that you find out when is this program. It is a 3-day conference. 2 days are virtual and 1 day is in person in Pune. I would recommend that you attend all the 3 days to be part of this most wonderful conference happening around us. Thank you so much, Pawan, for your time, and we look forward to meeting you.
Thank you for having me here, and we'll see you.
Yeah. And the last question before I end, Pawan, where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore right now.
Okay.
I'm well settled in the Bangalore, Karnataka.
Okay. And are you planning to come on 8th?
Oh, yeah, of course. I'm
Please do
very
come.
excited. Yes.
Yeah. Please do come. It would be really nice if we
Yeah.
get a chance to meet you.
Sure. Yeah.
All right. Cheers. Thank you so much for now.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Bye.